Student, welcome to NIVS Home School. Hope you are doing well at your home. This is Ayesha Siddiqua Sara, Assistant Teacher of Arts and Craft at National Ideal Universal School Morning Shift. Today I am going to take a class for class 2 and today's topic is very easy topic, a burger without color. This one is your 10 number lecture. Okay, so dear student, look at the board. First, draw a half circle. Okay, then give the curved line. Okay, then give some like this. Okay, and then give this. After that, give the lower portion like this. Okay, and give here a things and give some tiny circle on the okay. This one is very easy topic for you, so you must draw it and practice at your home. Okay, this one is your SW also, SW number 8. Write down the topic name, a burger without color, SW number 8, and submit at your school. So dear student, no more today. Thank you.